Alright, another day and another C++ concept. Evidently, it's going to be arrays this time. Very, very bare minimum tutorial on arrays. Notably with variables in them. And let's just get started. So we got our includes. We went over what these are for, so we'll just go ahead and add them. Connie OH. Then space std. All acquired. Good stuff. The main program. And we're going to go ahead and add a numerical array. And we're going to throw number 3 in there. And go ahead and start defining it. So num0 will be the first element. We're going to equal it to 1.5. Num1 would be the second one, because it all starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the order of array elements. So 2.75 num2 3.25. Now, if you're wondering where I'm pulling these numbers off of, I'm pulling it off of a book. Yeah. Anyways, doesn't matter what they are. Either way, you get the concept. And another array. Well, we're just declaring them right now. We're not doing much else, so don't worry about me not doing much action with these. What you gotta do is you gotta declare them first before anything else. So might as well just get that out of the way, right? So these are going to be characters. And I will notate declared, then initialized. And this time, what's going to be different is this one's going to be declared and initialized. Hence why I didn't do the semicolon right there. It's just, I usually like declaring and initializing is much quicker, but might as well show you both ways. So these are the strings, and here's going to be an interesting one right here. That right there is a special character. O is a null character. You'll see it in action later. It basically should output nothing if we were to utilize it. So, and here is the third array. This one's interesting. Yep. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. Comma. Oh, it formats it right for me. Awesome. 4, 5, 6. We'll end it right there. This is a 2-dimensional array. Now let's perform our program here. So num the 0th element. I don't want you to do that. And O. This will display what's associated with that 1.5 right after this raw string right here from our cout. this will pull that from the element. Now, to quickly get the rest of them out, because I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste. Oh, I misspelled that. It's nums. Let's have it. Nums is not something I naturally like to type out. So yeah, catch yourself on mistakes like that. This will throw in the numbers from this float array. Now, name 0. Let's just space it out too. Name will throw in M, because 0th element will be this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though this is 5, there's really just, you know, it starts counting at 0. So it's kind of a really strange mixed logic. I don't know why it does it like that, but it does. But basically, just know that's how it works. So you're never going to actually write 5, because yeah, it's just weird like that. 4 would be this thing right here. Now a couple more things, and I'll just copy and paste it. String would, and now we're saying name right here. Notice this doesn't have any of these inner elements declared. What this will do essentially is just lump everything together. Apparently is what it would do. We'll check that out once I run the program. Coordinates. This looks a little confusing right now, and I won't even try to explain right now. So I'll just go ahead and start running the program. Oh, before I do, gotta throw in that, and we gotta throw in the getch. Always finish off the program like this. Run the debugger. Okay, so nums, the string, okay, 1.5, yup, correct. 2.75, yup. 3.25, yup. M, first element of the character array, yup. String name throws in the whole thing. Notice how this is a null, so it won't display it. It won't display. Apparently, I'll change it to something else later. Like I'll just call it Mike's or something, or Mike H. And this is interesting. Why is it pulling 3? At first, I was a little confused, because this and this means a whole lot of nothing to me. Well, this will throw in coords too, we know that. But why this? Why 0, 2 makes 3? 3's here. What the heck does 0 mean? Apparently, 0 means this whole chunk right here. And 1 means this whole chunk right here. 0, then, now think of it in the array style. 0, 1, 2, pulls out 3. We declared 2, so we get 3. Now, we said 1 here, so this puts us to this thing right here. We call this, there's a terminology for it. We call it an index. 1 is an index, the second index. And then the 2 represents this 6 right here, because 0, 1, 2, 2 gets the third element. Yeah, it's just a mind twister, but that's what it is, and you get 6. To illustrate this, the first thing is the select index, and then the second thing is the select element. Now let's screw around and call this S, Mike's. you're going to be called mics. And then we're going to go ahead and do 0. And let's go do 1. 0 should apparently get you 1. And then 1 will apparently get you 4. Or no, 5. My bad. This will make mics. Let's see if it'll do that. Okay, that's not expected. That was quite unexpected. I don't know what the heck that is. Anyways, but here, 1. Because, yep, 0, 0. And 5, because 1, 5. That's interesting. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very interesting behavior. What if I do Y? Very interesting behavior. Mikey. Then that. That is bizarre. But I guess if I this is experimental right now. And let's make it 6. Not 56. I guess you need a null value to stop it. Huh, bizarre. But yeah, that'll be the end of that. I might get a better explanation later on, but right now I am confused. We got enough to basically get the basic functionality out of arrays, so I'll call it good here.